OK, so let's go through these one at a time and ask which of these could we make a case that this description of behavior is implemented. So what about the open-close principle? Open-close says you can add new behaviors without having to modify the base classes. And indeed, you can add new adapters for specific databases without modifying the abstract adapter class and without modifying active record base. So I would argue that this, the way this behavior is implemented in Rails is in compliance with open-close principles. It's an example of a good use of open-closed. What about dependency injection? Well, same thing here, right? The idea is that at runtime, we're going to look into a file that says what kind of database. We're going to use that to figure out what adapter to use, and we're going to fire up that adapter at runtime. That means that the app doesn't have to change when you run it in the production environment with one type of database versus running it in the development environment with another type of database, right? You just, as long as the profiles are all specified, the right thing happens at runtime. And I think that that's because the dependency injection has been used to say the abstract adapter is the only layer the app relies on. Underneath that, you can subclass to do radically different things for different databases. There's no code in this example that will allow us to say that the Demeter principle is at work one way or the other. So I was looking for Demeter principle as being the one not illustrated by this example. And what about Liskov substitution? Well, that says, in the context of this example, any method that you call on an abstract database adapter should be legitimate to call on any subclass of abstract database adapter. And indeed, that's the case, right? If that weren't the case, you couldn't rely on the fact that your active record stuff would work just as well with one database as another. So indeed, all of the methods that are callable on the abstract adapter are meaningful and legal to call in any subclass of abstract adapter. Therefore, Liskov substitution can be said to be at work here. So as far as I'm concerned, the Demeter principle is not particularly being displayed here, but all the other ones, it's sort of a model of good design in terms of observing the other three. Questions about that?